Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both SIMs are active and the phone recognizes slot 1 and slot 2. This matters because UPI links to a SIM number for verification. Once done, open Phonepe and update the app if needed, then grant SMS and phone permissions. Make sure to keep your primary bank SIM reachable. Next, verify that your bank account supports UPI. You will use the SIM-linked number when adding or switching an account. This is the first actionable step toward dual SIM use. Now add the second account. Go to Profile, then Bank Accounts, and tap Add New. Pick the bank that uses your second SIM number. When Phonepe sends an SMS OTP, it must arrive on that SIM, so insert or enable that SIM for verification. After OTP, set a UPI PIN if required, and label the account so you can spot it quickly. Once linked, choose which account you prefer for payments. This prevents accidental debits and makes refunds predictable. Finally, before each payment, tap Payment Method and switch to the desired linked account. This ensures the correct bank and UPI PIN are used. If an OTP or SMS verification fails, toggle the SIM's data or airplane mode, reinsert the SIM, and retry. Often the network or SMS center delay is the cause. If you still face UPI PIN or linking errors, update Phonepe, check network signal, and then contact your bank. These steps finish setup and resolve typical dual SIM issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.